Apples.
Apples.
Oranges.
Apples.
Oranges.
Apples?
Apple.
Apples.
Can I say neither? Okay. Apples, I guess, yeah.
Oranges.
Crunchy apples. Oranges.
Apple.
Oranges.
Apples.
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 Oranges.
Apples.
Well, hello everybody, and we're here again at TISB for our next assembly. And today I'm in my own lounge because I feel that here in my house, the things I have around me and the way I've had the room set up sort of reflects me, which touches a little bit on what this assembly is about. However, I think most of us thought that being in lockdown, life would be simple and there'll be less decisions and choices to make. I mean, apples or oranges, what is it? What's the right answer? Is it really an important decision to make? Who knows? But nevertheless, being in lockdown still means there are an awful lot of decisions and choices to make. Over this period of time, I've been having many conversations with students, colleagues, friends and family about how this lockdown period has caused us all to think about and reflect upon who do we want to really be, and almost who and how we want to be when some normality resumes. Many of us have worked hard over these months to better ourselves, whether it is fitness, online courses, learning new things, appreciating what we have rather than focusing on what we don't have, losing weight, or being proud of something that we've achieved for ourselves. A CV or curriculum vitae is a document that someone uses when they're applying for jobs, and it lists a person's qualifications, interests and achievements that might increase his or her chances of getting a job. I always think it is important for everyone to have CV virtues, traits and aspects which we regard as good and positive and which we're really proud of. I'd like you now to watch Madge Simpson applying for a job.
Well, Lisa, I finished my resume.
I think it needs a little padding.
What are you putting in there?
Up, when I'm done.
Chauffeur, seamstress, curator of large mammals.
Marge, have you seen my lunchbox?
Oh, I see.
Mom, they expect you to lie a little.
Worked for the Carter administration.
Well, you voted for him twice.
Lisa, shh, someone might be listening.
Oh, I thought Muddy Waters wrote that song. This resume is very impressive. Let me be the first to say Kadibu Kazini.
What?
Welcome aboard. I guess my Swahili's not as good as yours.
Yeah.
Sorry, the position has been filled.
Oh dear.
And this is your office. That idiot Tibor lost the key, but you can jimmy it open with a credit card. Well, have fun.
What do I do?
Marge, please, according to your resume, you invented this machine.
So well done to Madge for getting the job. However, it is not all right to lie on your CV. And there's a balance between portraying the good side of you without going too far over the top, because eventually you're always caught out. And I think at the moment in lockdown, we're all in a dilemma where we're trying to readdress and rebalance who we are and what we want to be. It's important that that there isn't too much of a mismatch between who we really are and the person that we're trying to portray. And I think as we begin our revision week ready for the end of term exams, I think if any of you are worried or concerned or unsure, that it's important that you do get in touch with your coordinator first of all, or any of us here at school. I'm now going to show you a video. It's a Dove advert, and it's a tribute to actually all the members of Girls Art Club here at TISB who've been doing some amazing work, and I hope you're all following them on Instagram. So I think there's a very powerful message in that video, and it's not just about beauty. I think it shows us that actually what we see online and in pictures and in images are not always true, and often our perceptions are misrepresented or misunderstood. So I think bear that in mind as we continue to study online and as we continue to communicate with each other online. And before we end, I'd like to just remind you of TISB's CV virtues. And it's important as we enter the exam period that one of our virtues is honesty. So as you conduct your online exams, there will be an invigilator. So make sure that you spend your efforts in actually learning and performing well in your exams. The second one is respect. So I think that's very important as we live our lives online at the moment, and I hope you continue to do that throughout the summer break. The other one is acceptance, and just realising again, coming back to perceptions, that we're all in different circumstances and that the lockdown will affect us all in different ways, and most of all I hope that you all stay healthy and safe. And finally, our final virtue is collaboration and camaraderie. And I'm really pleased to highlight on our website and Instagram all the group and joint activities that many of our students have been taking part in, and I hope you are keeping up to date by watching that. It's now time to find out the choice the on-campus staff have made, and the big decision: is it apples or is it oranges? Over to you.
Tea.
Coffee.
Tea.
Coffee.
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 Tea.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Tea.
Coffee.
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 Tea.
Coffee.
Tea.
Coffee. Cricket.
Football.
Football.
Oh.
Cricket.
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 Football. Cricket.
Football.
Cricket.
Cricket.
Top choice. Football. Cricket.
Football. Cricket.
Football.
Cricket.
Football.
Cricket.
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
Say Hollywood.
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 Bollywood. No. Yes.
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
Hollywood.
Bollywood.
Hollywood.
I can't say both, right? So Hollywood.
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 Dosa.
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 Toast.
Toast.
Dosa.
Dosa.
Oh, Tosa.
No. Toast or dosa?
Dosa.
Toast. Toast.
Toast.
Toast. Dosa.
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 Dosa. Toast.
Dogs.
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 Cats.
Dogs.
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 Dogs. Cats, yeah.
Cats.
Cats.
Dogs.
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 Books.
TV.
Books.
TV.
A book. Books.
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 TV.
TV.
TV. Books.
Books.
Book.
TV.
Books. Books.
Book.
Vanilla.
Chocolates.
Vanilla.
Chocolate.
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 Oh, vanilla, there's no question.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Chocolate.
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 Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate. Vanilla.
Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
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 Sunrise.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunrise.
Sunset.
Sunset. Sunrise.
Sunset. Sunset.
Sunrise.
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 Sunset.
Sunrise.
Singing.
Singing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Okay, singing.
Dancing.
Dancing. Neither, but yeah, dancing if it comes to that.
Singing.
Dancing.
Singing.
Singing.
Dancing. Dancing.
Singing. Singing.
Goodbye, everybody, and have a good week. And remember to work hard for those exams. And also, who we are really comes from within and not how we want others to perceive us. So, bye.